Hi guys, here we are. This is smells so good. So yeah, this is smells so good. Okay, let's put it back. So and carrot next. Carrot squishy. Look, don't stretch like this. It's gonna. Okay. Tapos I'm going to put this for no air because I don't like there's a air. So next is cheese nito. No. No, do that. Because it's gonna pop it. So yeah. Next is Infinity Cube. So yeah, this is from Cheetos. So you will like it. So yeah, you will love it. So yeah. So my turn. This one is bread. Wait, can I try it? And this is so good. From a butter. Yeah. So that smell it. I want to try it. Good, right? Let's try it. So next is Papita. And this is from Fidget Toys. This is our trial called Kylie. Mama, eat this. Because we love Poppy. And I saw him here. Okay. That's a 2020 or a 2024. But it's 2026. The popular is Pop It. Now it's a squishy. So my turn. This banana squishy. I want to be the long banana squishy, but we cannot find it on Philippines. There's another. Now it's Poppy. So this is cool. Your turn. Okay. Boom. So this is so cute. I like the puppy. Guys, look at this. It's so weird. How to kita? Look at this, guys. We have so many. Hey, look at this. Ew, she's getting her booger. Ew. Yeah, true. But don't mind my brother. He is. I know. What the fish is watching, bro? Now it's butter and burger squishy. This is cool. I like it. So we're found on MP spoon from the Philippines. Yes, we're from the Philippines. Oh my gosh. So this eat it. How could those. Next is the squishy. And the clay squishy. I like to make DIY clay squishy. Like my That's enough. Because there's ready. 3, 2, 1. Sugar Dino squishy. Mine is starfish. This one is so stretchy. Guys, here. Marcos, Caesar. Sa labas, get Caesar. So, anak yun, ang kanak is my tiny pet will kiss you. Wow! My is, I'm gonna kiss you. Let's drink! Yeah, we can drink. Bye, y'all.